Hey guys, it's Jeff, and I got a huge response yesterday on my iOS 11.2.5 video in people asking what wallpaper I had. So today I'll share with you my wallpaper that I use personally and also a great source to find other wallpapers as well. So first, let's just take a look at the wallpaper that I'm using. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm loving it. I just got it the other day, but let me show you exactly how you can get it on your iPhone 10 or any other iPhone. So I pulled out the 7 Plus here because I already have it on the iPhone 10, and I got the photo onto my Photos app. And let's just go to Wallpaper and go ahead and choose this photo here. So what I did was, it's actually quite big. So what I did, I didn't particularly like these colors here. So what I did is I moved it over here, which is what you will see on my video, and I moved the yellow line basically in the center there, and then you get that wallpaper. So I'll go ahead and set it as both, and then there we go. It's set as my wallpaper, and we're all set to go. I'll have links in the description where you can find this wallpaper, and also a great resource to find other wallpapers as well. So guys, this is actually the website where I've gotten a lot of my wallpapers for the iPhone 10. They have a lot of wallpapers here. They all work with the OLED screen quite well. They really do pop when it comes to color. And they also have a few dark ones that really show well with the OLED screen. So you can go ahead and take a look for yourself. This will be in a link in the description below, and let me know in the comment section down below if you would be using the wallpaper that I have on the iPhone 7 Plus, my iPhone 10, and you can see in the background there on the iMac Pro and the secondary display. Let me know if you'll be using that, or if you'll be using one of these here from this design code website. Anyways guys, thank you all for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful in finding a new wallpaper, and definitely stay tuned for some more upcoming videos. We have a lot of great things coming up. So again, thank you all for watching, stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. This video is sponsored by PureVPN. PureVPN is the easy to use and reliable VPN service now available on both Mac and PC. Mobile phones are included too, and they even have support in browser extensions. Check them out in the link below.